Hi girls, it's Michelle again. I want to quickly show you how to make the vellum envelope that I created on the Mooleficent page. What I have done, I'm just going to take that one out the way. This envelope, it has a chipboard frame. It is part of your pack. You will see you have a frame. I have taken my vellum paper. You have this one over here. It has got roses and it's got text in the middle. Sorry, there we go. Okay, just to show you what I done was I literally, with the text facing me, you will see you have got instructions. I have cut it to 20 by 29. From the bottom I've scored at 10.5, and then from that 10.5 line I've scored at 11. So what that would do is give you an envelope that looks like that. All right, once you've done that, you're going to corner around your 4 edges. Okay, so you can have a look and see. That is your corner rounded outside of your envelope. The front I've just decorated with my dotty chipboard, and I've added a few extra elements. And I have also added a Velcro dot to the back and to there so that it can stay closed. All right, so that is the outside of the envelope. The inside, I have used a sheet of 003. You will notice with the art papers, they are much wider than your normal 30.5. So what I've done with this one, I have worked off the flower side of the page, and I have kept it 30.5 wide. However, the height I kept to 31.5. Just cut your white off though. So if you have a look at your instruction sheet, what I then done was from the bottom I scored at 10 centimeters across. Okay, I then scored another 10 and another 10. That left me with about a 1.5 centimeter strip. From the side, from the far right hand side, I measured in at 11.5 and I scored again all the way down. Once that score line was made, I then cut along the score line across the bottom and across the first 2 blocks, not the middle block, please. And this little piece here, you can actually cut that out. You're not going to use that. Once you've done all of that, I'm going to show you now how it actually looks on your page. So this is going to get folded, and it folds out like so. It will open up, and then this piece will fold out and fold out. You will see I have a bit of a gap in between here. So what you will do is when you've cut that, just cut an extra 2 millimeters on the side so that it just helps it to fold in. All right, so you'll see your flowers now on the right hand side. So you can fold it in, and that one folds in like so. This whole piece then folds forwards like so. And there is that 1.5 centimeter piece that you were left with that gets stuck to the inside of your vellum envelope. All right, so you can put photos all along the back and over here. Fold it like so, close it and close it. And that is your vellum envelope. I hope that the measurements make sense to you. Remember, I am available. You can ask me any questions that you like if you get stuck. And it is just something cute to do with vellum, and a lot of us have vellum and we never know what to do with it. So it's a really cute way of just using the vellum on your layout. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll chat to you soon.